In the month of October, along with spooky Halloween vibes, one can notice a lot of information on breast cancer being circulated around. This is because October is the Breast Cancer Awareness Month. This is an annual event organized by many breast cancer foundations in order to raise awareness and collect as much funds as possible for the patients in need. With the help of this platform, us here at BioTimes want to help this movement be carried forward with the help of this video and our blog. Breast cancer, as you would have guessed, is the cancer of the breast cells. Usually, this cancer can get very aggressive and spread to the rest of the body via the lymph nodes, but in some cases, the cancerous cells may remain stationary. This is not something to be worried about. Millions of women get breast cancer every year and they fight this disease and kick it to the curb. The key to beating this disease is early detection. In order for someone to detect the disease early, one should know what are the symptoms. The symptoms for breast cancer include lump in the breast or underarm, thickening or swelling of breast, irritation of breast skin, redness around the nipple, pain in the nipple, and change in the size of the breast. Ladies, in order to notice these symptoms, you should know what your normal breast feels like, which is exactly why you should feel your breast once in a while so that in case if there are any lumps, you can find it early and get diagnosed. To diagnose breast cancer, the following tests are done. First, a mammogram is done. Mammogram is something that every lady must do often to make sure she's fine and healthy. If something abnormal is found in the mammogram, then image testing is done, where an ultrasound of the breast is done. Again, if something abnormal is found there, then a biopsy is done, via which it can be confirmed if the abnormal mass is cancer or not. If it is cancer, then various other tests such as MRI, PET and CT scans are done to find out the stage and if the cancer has spread or not. The treatment usually depends on the stage and the severity of the cancer. Usually the treatment includes surgery, chemotherapy, hormonal therapy and radiation therapy. All these methods of treatments have side effects which changes from person to person. You should not get scared of it. Fight it bravely instead. Breast cancer cannot be prevented as such, but there are a few measures you can take with the help of which you can reduce the chances. These measures are: first, not drinking excessive alcohol; second, maintaining a healthy diet; third, exercising as much as possible; and fourth, maintaining your body mass index or BMI. These will help you reduce the chances, but it cannot guarantee that you will not contract this disease. Finally, I'd like to say, many millions have fought this battle and won. If you are suffering from breast cancer, or as a matter of fact, any type of cancer, don't ever lose hope. You're surrounded by people who love you and will do anything for you. Fight for them. There are many others who feel like all hope is lost. Fight for them so that your story gives them hope. And never forget, the whole world has your back. And ladies, get checked for breast cancer regularly, maybe every year or every few months, to make sure if in case anything is wrong, you can be diagnosed and treated as soon as possible. So this is it for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and also share with your friends and family to raise awareness. Also, to know more, read our article Mammogramming instead of Instagramming, the link for which is in our bio. This is BioTimes signing out for now. Bye and have a great week ahead.